Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda PCX150 automatic transmission motor scooter, 150 cc's, fuel injected, electric start, and best of all, automatic. Only 5,000 miles on this beautiful dark metallic blue PCX150. Price to sell quickly, just $32.99. That's a lot cheaper than brand new. Come on by, make your motor scooter dreams come true. This 2-passenger Honda motor scooter. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Nice. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.